Right, I just sent the last video, so this is video 5. I'm losing count. Please watch them in order. I mean, my point, do this at your own pace. I'm just posting regularly, probably too soon for some of you. I know some of you, a couple of you aren't there today, so if you're doing this later, just do them at your own pace and keep them in order. Right, this is the image I sent you. Now, on the last video I said, perhaps if to make it easy, you could literally copy or, you know, the Seago type sky. But this is obviously the other way around. So if you want to do this one, if you can flip it on the computer, great. But otherwise, bear in mind that you want the dark bits over here and the light over there. So I will actually resend this to you the other way around, just so you can do that. And I hope Seago won't mind. Right, so that's the image we're doing. So that's the type of sky, but as I said, the other way around. So I've now worked mine up, and I haven't used any colour. As I said, for simplicity, I'm not going to. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to consider the foreground. So you might have painted your sky, and this might have taken you half an hour or so I'm probably well ahead, but it doesn't. The point is light to dark. Okay, so now you can see that this bit's standing out. Now, trees, I'm going to darken the trees, but leave the church and some of these areas lighter, and again in monotone, but just to sort of emphasize them. And then I'm going to work on the foreground. But the one thing is I want you to think about is what parts of the foreground will be lighter and darker. For example, although we've got a river here and we've got a dark sky, I want to leave this light so that it stays obvious and darkening the bank, so to speak. And I'm also going to take the trees across darker too, so that kind of draws you in a bit, like, you know, that dark contrast right at the back. Okay, right, I'm going to get on with that, and then I'll come back to you in the next video.